Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the public IP and whether your ISP controls its reverse zone. Once done, gather login credentials for the DNS control panel, and your servers forward a /AA records so you can match names. Contact your ISP early if they manage PTRs. You will need authorization or a delegated reverse zone. Make sure the canonical hostname you plan to use resolves forward to the same IP address. This alignment avoids mail delivery and verification problems later. Now you perform the core steps. If you control reverse DNS, create the initor. ARPA IP4 or IP6. ARPA IP6, zone and add a PTR pointing to the canonical hostname, set sensible TTLs. If your ISP manages PTRs, submit a precise PTR request and include proof of ownership and the forward a /AA records. Once the PTR is set, update any delegated NS records on the parent to point to your name servers and verify propagation. Make sure forward and reverse are identical to prevent validation failures. Finish by validating. Run dig plus short x or host on the IP to confirm the PTR returns the expected hostname, then resolve that hostname to ensure it returns the same IP. Once validated, monitor DNS propagation and adjust TTLs if you need faster rollbacks. If something goes wrong, collect your dig outputs, timestamps, and the parent zone's NS records, then contact your ISP or registrar, escalate with this evidence. This troubleshooting step usually resolves delegation or caching mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.